This is answer 59. Answer 59. Ram, Mohan and Ram, Shyam and Mohan were partners in a farm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1:2. Their capitals were fixed. That means current account adjustments will be done. All journal entries etc. will be done through current accounts. For the year 2009, interest and capital was credited to them at 9% instead of 10%. They will take 1% extra. They will take 1% extra. This is answer 59. Here interest on capital was credited. Please write down working notes. Working notes. Here interest on capital. Here interest on capital was credited at 9% at 9% per annum at 9% per annum PA instead of 10%. Instead of 10%. So 10% per annum PA per annum. So we can credit the partners 1% per annum only. So we can credit the partners 1% extra only. 1% extra only. Statement showing adjustment. Statement showing adjustment. Statement showing adjustment. Ram, Shyam, Mohan. Same thing. This is the first line. Second line. Ram, Shyam, Mohan farm. This is for Ram. Shyam, particulars, Ram, Shyam, Shyam, Mohan, debit, credit, farm, debit, credit. This is your interest on capital to be given or credited. Interest here we have to write down rupees in all the columns. This is very important. You cannot ignore this. You cannot leave this. interest to be credited to partners only 1%. Cut two zeros from the capitals, and you must have remembered the capitals here are fixed. 3000, 1000, 2000 credit. 3000, 1000 and 2000 credit, and this is debit for the firm 6000. Net loss for the above, because we are again taking it out of the profit and giving them net loss for the above. This is net loss for the above is rupees 6000 in equal ratio. You see, no ratio is given. Sorry, not equal ratio. This is 2:1:1. 2:1:2. This is debit 2400, 1200, 2400 and 6000 credit. Now add this total, double line, close and net effect. This is total 2400 and 3000, 1200, 1000, 2400, 2400, 2000, 6000, 6000, and this is your net effect. Net effect 2400, 3000, 1200, 1000, 2400, 2000, 6000. Then comes your fair notes. Journal entry. This is your date, particulars, ledger folio, debit rupees and credit rupees. Here there is no date is given. Yeah, it is given for the year ended 2009. This is 2009 December 31st. Your journal entry will be Sam's current account debited. You have to net effect may I have written wrong. I have written the same thing in this net effect. So this net effect is like this. I'm sorry, this is wrong. Net effect is 600, 200, 400. So this is Ram credit, Syam debit, Mohan debit. Syam's current account debited Shyam's current account debited 200. Mohan's current account debited Mohan's current account to be debited 400 to Ram's current account, being IOC excess credited, being IOC less credited, now rectified. Yeah, being interest on not credited by 1%, now rectified. Being interest on capital not credited by 1%, yani 9% was credited instead of 10%. Now rectified through current accounts as the capital accounts of our partners are fixed. This is total 600 each. $600 each.